Look, I know some of us don't get along, but can we at least come together to figure out where the treasure is?
Some of us. Surely you mean Taco. Since it's all the way over there. Not even standing with...
Oh my god!
Warning. The County Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event. This warning is effective immediately and continues until sunrise tomorrow morning. Citizens are advised not to observe this event with the naked eye. Warning. Your local county authorities have issued a civil danger alert. The County Weather Service has issued the following correction for the weather warning in effect. For your safety, remain indoor.
Oh my god!
The meteorological event is safe for all to view. Warning has been lifted.
Wow! Oh my god!
Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights. Do not look out of any windows. Do not respond to any knocks on your windows or doors until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which emanates from outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any lights outside your home. If you see any unidentified figure inside your home, or from the corner of your eyes,
attempt to make contact.
She is on your ceiling.
Should any member of your family go missing, run out and search for them.
If you are afraid, we will look together.
え、一人で行くってこと？